Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you which opportunities we can find on the forex market for the next days. Before starting, subscribe not to miss the next videos. Leave a like if you like the video. And of course, share your opinion with me and the other viewers. Of course, it's very important to me. Don't be shy because I will not judge you. Everybody got their opinions on the market. Markets are unpredictable, so we are not perfect. By the way, my first pick for the day is the US dollar and the Japanese yen because price action looks pretty strong. So we are in a bullish environment, okay? And of course, we have this bull flag and the breakout of the trend line here. The price now is retesting the trend line. So what we may expect for the next days, of course, this is not a financial advice because markets are unpredictable, but scenarios are many. The first one is the price rebounding on this price structure here around 114 and then going up. Okay, follow me because I'm gonna tell you many important things. Okay, the second one, the price falling a little bit, retesting the 113.50 or even better the 113 or the 50 moving average around 112 and a half. So by the way, if buyers take control again, we can expect the price to rebound on these three levels, okay, and then going up. If they can push the price above 115, then we will be in a buy situation, okay. Looking at the Fibonacci extension, we can see that the 116.18 just lands here at 116. So we will keep an eye on this situation. Of course, trading according your strategies. This is not a financial advice. Of course, everybody got different strategies and rules. So we will see what will happen. Leave a comment. Stay tuned. Bye bye.